A story of Nama's glory. It concerns a couple, a German couple, who lived near the ashram for 17 to 18 years, devoted to Bhagavan Shri Yogi Ram Sarat Kumar and their master, Mr. Lee. Fokker and Wute. They had gone to Germany for a holiday from Tiruvannamalai for his annual vacation. In Germany, he, with his wife and 2 children, were traveling by car when they ran into a heavy traffic jam. Fokker became very angry at the delay and decided to try a diversion route. But alas, there was also a traffic jam which delayed them by more than an hour, which of course it irritated everyone. Finally, he somehow reached the 6-lane highway where Fokker chose to drive in the second fastest lane. They were speeding ahead, vehicles on either side. Fokker was traveling at about 150 kilometers per hour. In Germany, there is no speed limit on the highways. Suddenly, Fokker and Wute saw a small car from the left lane, that is from the first lane, heading into their lane, that is the second lane. Just ahead of them, a large car on the right was also trying to enter into their lane at the same time. Fokker and his wife Wute, to their horror, saw the cars on either side speeding up towards a collision course just ahead of them. And they screamed, Yogi Ram Sarat Kumar, at the top of their voices as the cars crashed. About 200 feet away, because of the collision and the high speed with which the cars had run, they spun off in opposite directions at dizzying speeds, making another truck which was coming that way go zigzag. And the truck in turn unsettled many of the other vehicles. So you can see, you can imagine the confusion that was created and the cars moving as they liked. They seemed to have a mind of their own, uncontrolled by anybody. In the meantime, the lane ahead of Fokker was clear for a while, and so Fokker's car shot through and he halted his car a little ahead and ran back to see what damage had been done due to the accident. There were 2 women traveling in the small car whose engine had been crushed. The car was a wreck, but the 2 women were miraculously unhurt and were sitting dazed in the wrecked car. Fokker offered to send his wife Wute, who is a qualified nurse, to attend on them. Meanwhile, another lady in a car who stopped behind them had come there. She said that she was a doctor and could handle the situation herself. So there were miraculously no injuries at all to the occupants of the other car which had collided with the small car. So it was all hell let loose, and yet the damage happened only to the vehicles and not to the people. What a wonder. It became the talk of the town that, of course, nobody knew that Mr. Fokker and his wife Wute screamed Yogi Ram Sarat Kumar, and it was Yogi Ram Sarat Kumar who adjusted the whole lot in such a way that whatever was meant to happen to people around got shifted to the vehicles. You see the glory of the name that they screamed just in time, though they could not help the situation. They did help by screaming Yogi Ram Sarath Kumar, which saved every life around, despite all the confusion that was caused. So, dear devotees of Bhagavan, let us remember once again the glory of the name and what it can do. And chant more and more and more and keep offering them at His lotus feet. And pray. Pray with intensity, wholeheartedly. Beloved Bhagavan,